Hi everyone and welcome to a new video of Plant Yes. In this video I will show you how to take care of this plant, the Caladium. If you're already excited to see this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So what is so special about this plant is that in autumn it will die down to a bulb. And you will not see any leaves, so don't cry if this happens. This is normal for this plant and you haven't killed it.
The Caladium life cycle. You start with a Caladium bulb that you put in a pot with a potting soil mixture. Make sure to plant the rooted side of the bulb downwards and give the bulb enough space. After around 6 weeks, the first sprouts are starting to appear. A few weeks later, the first leaves are starting to show. After a while, the pot starts to fill up more and more with bright colored leaves. If you think the pot is not big enough for the plant, you can always repot it in a bigger pot. If you see a flower appear in your Caladium, it is best to cut it away to save energy for the plant.
So in autumn you will see the first leaves dying down. And what is important is that you have to check which leaves you can remove and which you should not yet remove. The plant has made sugars and they store them in the leaves and in the bulb. And when it's autumn, they transport all the sugars that are in the leaves to the bulbs. Here you can see these old leaves. So these leaves do not produce any sugars anymore and they cost more because plant will also maintain its old leaves, but now they cost more than they make. So what is important is that you remove them.
Removing the leaves is really easy, especially when they have dried down to their maximum. Just remove them by pulling them out of the soil. Continue doing this until the end of the season. You will end up with a plant like this. All the leaves have died down. Remove the leaves by pulling them out. There are two things you can do now. It is either getting the bulbs out of the soil and save them in a paper bag in a dark, dry spot to plant again, or just set the whole pot aside for next season, again in a dark, dry spot. It is up to you what you want.
Oh, the horror! Thank you for watching this video. If you've enjoyed it, make sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Have a look around and start to grow your knowledge. Bye!